Hey everybody, welcome back to Tustin Talks. It's Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group, and it's time to talk about the Orange County market. It's September 26th, so interest rates have been jumping around because of global uncertainty. Let's talk about what could happen. We have economists saying that interest rates, some are saying that's going to go down, some are saying it's going to go up. You know what the bottom line is? If you're happy with the interest rate that's out there, take advantage of it, because it's not going to take too much to change this market where rates could go up quite a bit also. So let's not get greedy as buyers. 3.75% is about where rates are now. They got as low as 3.5%. They're up 0.25%, but they did get as high as 4% last week. So they're dancing all over the place right now. It seems like a pretty good time to get a loan. Let's talk about the market and start with the active listings in Orange County. So as you can see from this chart, the current inventory is 6,860 homes, which is down 5% from last year. Last year we had 7,270. Moving to the next chart is the demand chart. You'll see that we have 2,401 homes in escrow over the last 30 days. That is up 10% from last year's numbers. Last year we only had 2,177. So we have inventory down 5% and demand up 10%. So that changes the dynamic of the market a little bit. If we look at closed sales, we are up 2% on closed sales. We closed 2,823 homes this month versus 2,806 last year. 99.8% of all the sales were equity sales and not foreclosures. For all you doomsdayers out there, we're not even close to a foreclosure market. So let's break down the market even further. As you know, I have a favorite chart, and here it is. When you really look at what's going on in the market, because people are confused. They're hearing national headlines, regional headlines. They're hearing the market's hot, the market's cold. It's very, very confusing. So that's what I'm here to do, is help break that down for you so you guys can understand it a little bit better. What we have to do is we have to look at the data, we have to look at the numbers. And when you really look at what's going on in the Orange County market, we have 66% of the listing inventory under 1.25 million. And we have 86% of the demand under 1.25 million. So guys, that only leaves 14% for the rest of the market. And how that looks by price range in terms of demand, what you have is you have 48% of the homes that are selling are in a price range that's favoring the seller, which is currently under $1 million. 1 of every 2 homes is being sold. If you look at what we call a balanced market, only 28% of the market activity is happening in that market. That's a price range of 1.0 to 1.25, and that favors neither the buyer or the seller. Now, if you look at the higher end, which would be over 1.25 million, 16% of the activity taking place in that price range favors the buyers. And it just gets tougher as you go up the scale. If you look over 1.5 million, only 1 out of every 9 houses is selling. So what is the market telling us? Okay, we know there is different demand points at different price ranges, and you have to pay attention to that. Whether you're a buyer or whether you're a seller, you kind of have to understand whether the market favors you or whether it's balanced. What we saw from today, we broke it down for you, and we can break it down for your area, because even in your micro markets, whether you live in Irvine, Tustin, they all are different. That's why you need to have a real estate professional that understands the numbers so they can explain them to you, and also has a great process for getting you guys top dollar for your home, making the house look good, and giving the buyer a product that they want to purchase. So buyers, you know what? It's still a great time. 3.75% interest rates. Remember, you're buying for the long term at this point. If not, maybe you want to sit on the sidelines. So that's this week's Tustin Talks. Let me tell you guys, it is a great market. On our last 3 listings, we had 17 offers. So there are buyers. We know the buyers are out there. Sellers, we know we can get houses sold. So whether you're a buyer or a seller, we have the expertise to help you. All you need to do is contact us at this phone number, or you can go to our website or check out any of our social media, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks. Hey guys, who are you getting your real estate advice from? Do you know there's 23,000 agents in Orange County and 87% of them are going to be out of the business within 5 years? The Odell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.